We have breaking news in the case of E. Jean Carroll and the $5 million President Trump has been ordered to pay her after he was found liable for sexually abusing and later defaming her. That money has actually been sitting in an escrow account for a long time, but Trump has been fighting efforts to transfer it to Carroll while he appealed the verdict. Now a court says the money has to go out. MS Now senior legal reporter Lisa Rubin is with us. And I think there's been a development even since you and I have been on air. You've heard from the Trump team?
We have heard from the Trump team directly to CNBC's Dan Mangan. They responded, the American people stand with President Trump as they demand an immediate end to all of the witch hunts, including the Democrat-funded travesty of the Carroll hoaxes. President Trump will keep winning against liberal lawfare as he continues to focus on his mission to make America great again. And I want to step back from that, Alicia, to put that statement into context, because there's a reference to the Democrat-funded travesty of the Carroll hoaxes. What the president's legal team is referring to there is that her legal team received some funding from Reid Hoffman and a nonprofit that he ran. We have since reported that there is allegedly a criminal investigation into Mr. Hoffman and that nonprofit. Many people partial to E. Jean Carroll saying that's no accident. The fact that she was about to get paid and that her case was coming to a close against the backdrop of a new criminal investigation, either into her, Mr. Hoffman, or both, speaks to the lengths to which this administration will go to punish their enemies.
About 30 seconds left. So how soon does she get her money?
She could get the money as soon as today. You and I were just talking during the break. This is a wire transfer, essentially, that it goes from one account that's been held by the court, the United States District Court for the Southern District of New York, into an account held by her law firm on her behalf. They'll deduct their fees from that if and when the transfer is made. We've asked Ms. Carroll's law firm to confirm for us when and if that transfer is made. But barring an emergency action by a federal appeals court or the Supreme Court, that transfer should happen as soon as today, Alicia.
Lisa Rubin, we saw this news cross our desk. We needed to get you here to break it all down. Thank you so much for being with us.